1 month ago I was broke, now I'm rich, all because I started launching my own meme coins. If you want to make a change for yourself and make a shit ton of money, just keep watching because I'm gonna ungatekeep everything and show you how it's done. Now, you might be thinking, okay, well, how the hell did you get rich? What did you do? How did you do it? Well, basically what I do is, I launch my own coins and then I dump it. For example, this coin is a perfect example. Basically what I do is I launch my own coins by just creating it for free. After that, I wait for buyers to buy in my coin, and when it reaches the top, I simply just remove the liquidity and I run away with thousands of dollars on every single meme coin launch. It's completely free, fully repeatable, you have nothing to lose, and it's the best side hustle to start right now. And if you are currently watching this video at the moment, well, you're lucky because I've made all my money already, and now I will be ungatekeeping the method and I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself. But before we get started, I just want to say that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, cap. But please do not copy me, cap. But anyways, if you want to create and launch your own coin, I would highly advise you to use create tokens.fun because it's the only legit website on YouTube in the whole entire world to launch and create your own coins. And the best feature about what this website offers is that all your coins are all launched on the Raydium DEX, which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun, because in 2025 nowadays, Pump.Fun is too saturated, too many coins are being created every single hour, and you need to get a $90,000 market cap on your coin for it to migrate on the Raydium DEX directly, okay? But by going directly to create tokens.fun and making your coins here, you're skipping that migration time and making way more money, okay? So create tokens.fun is the way to go. But anyways, there are two different ways to making your own coin. The first way is to make it manually by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image, and essentially you will be making a whole new coin on a whole new narrative. So for example, if a new meme came out which went viral, if someone tweeted on Twitter, or if something happened, well, you could make a coin here. It's actually really simple. Just put the token name, token symbol, for example, token image, you would put some random ass shit and then click on next and create the coin. But the other way is actually my favorite one because this is actually how I'm making thousands of dollars every single day, and it's actually by copying my own coins here on this tab right here, the copy trending coins right here, right? Now essentially we steal coins that are doing good on Pump.Fun and we list them back on the Raydium DEX and make way more money. And since all these coins are all trending and pumping currently, well, you have nothing to lose because you're guaranteed to get some buyers, so you're always going to profit on every single coin launch. But anyways, now it's time to make some money. So I'm gonna copy a coin that is doing decently well. Now, okay, the cat Wi-Fi apple just caught my attention because it's a cat and that usually does good for a meme coin, right? It has 50 replies, which is not bad, $21,000 market cap, and the last buy 3 seconds ago, which means that the coin is alive. So I would click on create coin. Oh yeah, I forgot. Connect your wallet first, boom. As you can see, your wallet is inside of it. Now click on create coin. After that, a warning will pop up. It's completely normal. This will pop up for every single person using the platform for the first time, but just do proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be created soon. Come on. Yo, I'm impatient, bro. Okay, copy here, click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. So as you can see, select your coin right here, select your Solana binds, and by the way, remember this number right here. I'm starting with 1 Solana in my wallet, and we're going to see how much I make after we dump the coin. So I'm on token A, click on max, but personally I'm going to click on 90% because I want to keep 10% of the supply in my wallet. But if you're confused about how supply works and how liquidity works, just click on max, okay? It's nothing to worry about. But amount token B, it's actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money from your own wallet. Okay, I would put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. So I'm gonna put 0.5 Solana. And by the way, you are not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your own coin. So just make sure you have enough in your wallet, but you are not losing this money. But now it's time to create the pool. So 3, 2, 1, click on create pool. Your phantom wallet should pop up like usual. Then do confirm. After that, click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already 0.4 Solana in profit, which is decently well. Now click on view on Photon, and now the coin is live. Sweet. Oh, it's pumping a lot. Oh my god, live on video right now. It's pumping a lot. Let me see who bought in. $47, $8, $6, a couple of $3 buys, which is not bad. Let's fucking go. Continue pumping. Whoops. Oh my god, the coin is ripping. Oh my god. Bro, this chart is so weird. I'm not sure what's happening, bro. But if it goes really high, I am gonna remove the liquidity. Fuck it. Okay, if it goes fucking high, I am gonna remove the liquidity, bro. Let's go. Pump high, bro. I need profits. Oh, it's pumping. Let's go. It's pumping. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god! Okay! To remove the liquidity, come back to create tokens.fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Come on, we have to go fast, bro. Oh my god, this might be actually fucking insane. Confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you pump and dump a coin and print money right now, bro. Oh my god. And if I open my phantom wallet to see how much I made exactly in 3, 2, 1. Sweet! $600! I made a $500 profit off this one Memecoin launch. Create tokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to enter the 1 soul giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.